Alright, y'all. Today we're going to be doing the Mentos Lab experiment. But first off, we have to figure out what we're doing before we actually complete our experiment. So this PowerPoint is going to be a bunch of questions that you guys are going to need to figure out before we can start our lab. So today we're going to mix different amounts of Mentos with Diet Coke to see how high the tower is. So what I want y'all to do is I want you guys to write out our testable question. How does changing blank affect blank? Again, I'm mixing the amount of Mentos with Diet Coke to see how high the tower is. So write out our testable question now. Now answer multiple choice question 1. Which question is best answered by a scientific investigation? A. Why are planting trees good for the planet? B. How does changing the ball affect how high it can bounce? C. What is the definition of a physical change? Or D. Where can I find gold atoms? Remember, a scientific investigation or a testable question usually has the word affect in it. Now it's time to write our hypothesis for our lab. I want you guys to fill in the blanks. We predict that something is going to happen because why? So I want you guys to write down your prediction. What do you predict is going to happen when we add more Mentos, and explain your answer. After you write your hypothesis, answer multiple choice question 2. We're trying to see how long it takes a parachute to fall to the ground if we change the parachute material. Which is the best hypothesis? Is it A, the parachute will fall in under 5 seconds? B, the aluminum foil parachute will be the greatest at landing the cup on target? C, the parachute will have the least time to fall? Or D, none of these? Remember, which hypothesis is answering that testable question? It's now time to look at our variables. So when I take a look at my variables, I know my independent variable is what I am changing. So with the Mentos and the Diet Coke, what am I changing here? For my dependent variable, what is going to be my effect, or what am I measuring after I add the Mentos in? What is one control variable? What is something I'm keeping the same? And what is something else that I'm keeping the same? So try and figure out what I am changing, what is the effect, and 2 things that are staying the same, your control variables. It's now time to go on to multiple choice question 3. In class, we had objects with a diameter of 5 inches, 10 inches, and 15 inches. We were recording how high each object could bounce when we dropped them from 1 meter. What is the dependent variable? Well, I know that my dependent variable is always my effect. So what is my dependent variable? Is it A, the bounce height, B, the drop height, C, the type of ball, or D, the person dropping the ball? What am I measuring?